going back to meetings a little bit here. I'm going to go to my settings, and in meetings, I'm sure you've all had to deal with background noise. Teams has introduced background noise isolation, or background noise, reduction. That's been around for a little while and is very effective. But if you have Microsoft Copilot, the paid version, or if you have Teams Premium, you also in your team settings can go to recognition. And I can't set the setting right now, but you can see that there's a voice and there's face. So I can actually train Teams on my voice, and it will give me voice isolation then, which means it's actually listening for my voice and canceling out everything else. So not just background noise, but like even if I'm in a noisy office with a bunch of people talking, this will cancel out that background noise. It is really amazing. To give you an idea, I think this will work. We'll see. So I'll turn on my camera, hopefully. And so I'm going to clap, and I'm going to actually clap, and you shouldn't hear anything. We'll see. How'd it do? Did you hear anything, Kathy?
Did not hear anything. Did not hear anything. So, but this is funny. Proceed with caution. So everyone knows Larry will wander into my office every now and again, and then he says, hi, and shares something. The person cannot hear him. They see him, they can see his mouth moving, but they cannot hear him because I've got this voice isolation on, and it's only recognizing mine. And it was just so funny to see that happen. But it is really powerful stuff for noise in the background, trains out the window, landscaping people, whatever it might be.
Yeah, and you can see that setting right here. So background noise only, this is something that's free for everybody. And then voice isolation is a more powerful version that is available only with the paid. So if I were to turn this off, probably heard that quite a bit, I would imagine.
Yes, definitely.
Hopefully it didn't blow out anyone's speakers. Okay, so that is a paid feature. So always good to have in your back pocket. Sometimes your audio goes wrong for other reasons though. And like your mic isn't working for whatever reason. This happens at the beginning of meetings like all the time. One thing that I love to do for my backup of this is I've got, everyone's got their phone sitting next to them. Pull out your phone, open up Teams, and join the meeting from Teams on your phone. When you open up Teams, you'll have a banner across the top of your phone that says, join now, or you can even go in your calendar and join it from there. And then you can use the audio from your phone if your computer, mic, and speakers are not working. So this can be a real time saver when you end up in those, like, you're trying to get into the meeting, everyone's waiting on you, you're trying to talk, everyone's frustrated. Instead of messing with your computer right then, join from your phone and save messing with the computer for later.